The problem is from the unit of arithmetic progression. This question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. Sequence is 3, 8, 13 and 253. So we need to find out the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So we know the first term n is equal to 1 year, second term n is equal to 2, third term n is equal to 3. But 253, what is the value of n here? We doesn't know, friends. So we will try to solve this problem in the easiest manner. First we will try to find out the value of n in the last term. So to find it out, we will write on the given here. What is the value of a? That is first term 3. What is the common difference? Second term 8 minus first term 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. What is the last term value? That is an 253. We need to find out n here. We will try to find out by using the formula of an. An is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. So an means what? It is 253 is equal to a means 3 plus of n minus 1 into d means 5. So transpose this 3 to the other side. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 253 plus 3 becomes minus 3. n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 253 minus 3 is 250. I will transpose this 5 to the other side. What is the operation between n minus 1 and 5? It is multiplication. So when I transpose 5, it becomes division. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 0 is there, 5 50s are 250. So n minus 1 is equal to 50, or n is equal to 50 plus 1. So n is equal to 51. This 253, the last term which is there, it is having the value of n is 51 here, friends. So we found out the value of n in the last term, that is n is equal to 51. Now we will try to find out the 20th term from the last term. 20th term from the last term. How to find out? That is equal to last term minus, if you want to find out the 20th term, you need to subtract one term before the 20th term. That is, one term before means it is 19. Hope that people are understanding. 15 minus 51 minus 19. 51 minus 19 is 32. Borrow 1 from 5, so it becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 32. 32nd term is the value of 32nd term that we need to find out now. Once again, we will use the same formula. So it becomes a 32 is equal to a means what? 3 plus of n means 32 minus 1 into d means 5. A 32 is equal to 3 plus 32 minus 1 is 31 into 5. A 32 is equal to 3 plus 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 3 is 15. So it is 155 plus 3, so 158. The value of the last 20th term from the last term is 158. So A32 was the 20th term from the last term. Its value is 158. I hope that you people have understood. The next problem, problem number 18. The sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So what they are saying, sum of 4th and 8th term is 24. That means sum of A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. Then what they are saying, and the sum of the 6th and 10th term, that is A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. We need to find out the first 3 terms of the AP. In the form of AN, how we can write A4? That is A plus 3D. Correct, no? By using the formula of an. An is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. So n is 4 here. N minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into d is 3d. Plus a plus a8. A8 can be written as a plus 7d. That is equal to 24. If I add a plus a, it becomes 2a. If I add 3d plus 7d, it becomes 10d is equal to 24. In the left hand side of the equals, there is something common in between these two terms, that is both the numbers comes in the table of 2 ones. Take out 2 as the common factor. 2 into a, 2a, 2 5s are 10. So here 2 is there, here 24 is there. If I transpose 2, it becomes division there. So I'm going to cancel it directly here. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So a plus 5d is equal to 12. I will call this one as equation. So whenever you get the sum of two terms, means you need to solve the problem by using the method of solving by using simultaneous linear equations. So you have learned in your 9th standard. By using that, we can solve this problem very easily. Similarly, a6 can be written as what? A plus 5d plus a10 can be written as a plus 9d. Whenever you are writing a number next to the d, it should be 1 less than the value of n. So that is what we are following here. That is equal to 44. A plus a is 2a plus 5d plus 9d is 14d is equal to 44. Once again, in the left hand side of the equals, we can see 2 and 14 comes in the same table of 2 ones. I'm going to take it 2 as the common factor. 2 into a, 2a, 2 sevens are 14 into d. That is equal to 44. So when I transpose 2, once again it goes for the denominator because 2 into is there. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 twos are. So a plus 7d is equal to 22. I will call this one as equation 2. I am going to equate equation 1 and 2. First I am going to write the bigger equation. A plus 7d is equal to 22. Here it is a plus 5d is equal to 12. When I am equating, I am going to cancel one equation from the another equation. So when I'm trying to cancel, I need to change the sign of the second equation, which is second equation. A plus 5d is equal to 12. I'm going to change the sign. A plus a becomes minus, 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 because our intention is to cancel any one of the variables. Either a I need to cancel or I need to cancel d. I'm cancelling a because the coefficient of a in both the equations is 1. Here the coefficients of d are varying here. So whenever we get the coefficient same, we can cancel that particular term very easily. So plus a minus a get cancels. 7 minus 5 is 2d is equal to 22 minus 12 is 10. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. We got the value of d, that is 5. Now we will try to find out the value of a by substituting the value of d in any one of these two equations. I am going to substitute the value of d in the first equation. 5 into 5 is equal to 12. 5 5 is 25. When I transpose 25, it becomes minus 25. 25 minus 12 is 13. Bigger number sign is minus. So the first term value is 13. We need to find out the three terms. First three terms. A is the first term, no? A. What is the value? It is minus 13. So which is the next term? A plus d. So minus 13 plus 5. So change in sign. I need to subtract. 13 minus 5 is 8. Bigger number sign is minus. Next one is a plus 2d. A means minus 13. 2d means 5 2s are 10. 13 minus 13 plus 10. So it becomes minus 3. These are the values of first three terms of this AB. I hope that you people have understood. Thanks for watching the video.